At yan kung minsan ang problema sa atin. Meron ka na, iba pa yung gusto mo. Huwag na kayong lumayo. Pagka-order mo sa restaurant, lagi yung order nung nasa kabilang mesa, parang mas masarap. Parang ano yung in-order niya? Bakit parang mas masarap yun? Matapos kang umorder, nung hindi naman kapinilit na orderin mo yun, magsisisi ka na. Marami pang iba, walang ginawa kundi i-compare yung husband nila o wife nila sa husband o wife ng iba. Yan na yung nasa'yo. Kailangan enjoyin mo na yan. At huwag ka nang tumingin-tingin pa sa iba dahil yan na yan. Enjoy what you have. Do not always want something else. Because the moment you got that something else, may madidiscover ka doon na kulang na perhaps nandun sa isa na tinapon mo na. Kaya lang nung nalaman mo, huli na. Pag dumadaan ang oras na wala kang kinikita, tapos may ginagastos ka pa, negative yon. So kalimutan na yung ang puti, ang bango ng labada. Mga anak nyo, maglabas sila ng kanya-kanyang damit para kumita rin kayo. May mga nanay na sobrang dakila, wala namang ginagawa yung anak kundi mag-basketball o mag-text o ipinaglalaba pa ng damit. Baguhin nyo na yung ganyang makalumang pag-iisip para kumita. Hindi ibig sabihin maging bulagsak o walang kwentang ina. But use your time to earn money. Lalong-lalo kung kaisa-isa lang ang breadwinner at ang lahat bread users.
Don't worry about next week. Don't stress about next year. Today needs you. Right now needs your focus. Your peace lives in the present, not in the what-ifs of tomorrow. So breathe. Handle what's in front of you. The future will meet you when you're ready. But for now, just be here.
O anong naging bunga niyang sobrang pagiging galante mo? Ngayon na ikaw naman ang kapos, paano yan? Andyan pa ba yung mga taong nakinabang sa'yo? Di ba wala? Naging masyado kang mapagbigay. Ubus biyaya ka na akala mo wala nang katapusan. Ni hindi ka malang nagtira dyan para sa sarili mo. Di ka naman tinuturuan na magdamot, pero sana tandaan mo na sa panahon ngayon, hindi ka pwedeng kapusin at mawalan. Dahil napakahirap at napakabigat sa pakiramdam na walang taong gustong tumulong sa'yo sa oras na ikaw naman ang mangailangan.
I really want this new thing. Wait! Why did you change everything? To make room. But I want the new thing and everything else. I want it to stay the same, but still get the new thing. Getting this requires you to grow to be eligible for it. In your case, you're being held back by all of these things. So I removed the things holding you back. I chose the safest path for you. But now things are too different. I want to go back. You want to go back to how things were? Yes. It's too scary here now. You can have the life that you used to have. You're allowed to settle or stop progressing whenever you want, but you'll relive the same experiences again and again and again until you integrate them. You'll fall back into your old patterns, be around the same people with the same mindsets that you've outgrown, relive the same feelings, feel the same fears, and be held back by the same apprehension forever. You won't grow or expand. Are you sure you want to go backwards? Well, now that you put it that way, no, I'm not. But I don't want to be here either. I'm just uncomfortable. Of course you are. You're in between two chapters of your life. You're releasing a lot in order to make room for bigger and better things. You're still on the right path, even if it feels uncomfortable right now. Just relax. You're exactly where you need to be.
Kahit tumanda ka na at matanda ka na, kailangan nag-e-enjoy ka pa rin. Kabaligtaran ko minsan sa pananaw ng marami na pag matanda ka na, dapat nasa bahay ka na lang, nakahiga ka na lang, hindi ka na aalis, hindi ka na pwede mag-skateboard, hindi ka na pwede mag-party, 90 ka na, hindi ka na pwede mag-boyfriend, kung byuda ka naman, why not? Old age should not prevent enjoyment of life. Yan ang sinasabi ni Solomon. Bakit? Kung gagawin natin yung old age na gano'n, nakakatakot tumanda. Ayaw mong tumanda. Iwas ka ng iwas. Samantalang kung ibang enjoyment ng bata, ibang enjoyment ng young adult, iba yung enjoyment ng senior adult, at iba naman yung enjoyment ng senior adult, every phase, every stage of your life is something to look forward to. Kaya dapat kasama sa planning natin yung pagtanda. Hindi ka lang nagpaplano to survive. Na kailangan pag nagkasakit ako, may pambili ako ng salon pass. Kailangan may pambili ako ng... Hindi lang yon. Kung kakayanin at bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon ng Panginoon na makapagtrabaho, makapag-ipon, maging productive, ang plano mo, hindi lang makabili ng gamot pag nagkasakit, kundi to continue to enjoy life hanggang gumraduate ka at tawagin ng Panginoon.
Nakakatawang isipin, di ba? Kasi sa haba ng panahon na nagtatrabaho ka, dugot pawis araw-araw. Pagdating ng sahod, wala naman talagang natitira sa'yo eh. Kasi may baon ng mga anak, may kuryente, may tubig, may utang na dapat bayaran. Pero huwag kang maglala kapatid, hindi broke ang tawag sa'yo. Ang tawag sa'yo, responsableng magulang.